Hey y'all, so I'm about to go look at some more places. After reading some reviews and stuff, me and babe probably weren't satisfied with the stuff that we found. So today we're about to go shopping for a new place and also to lunch. So I'm probably going to record that. Like I said, with these high-end or luxury apartments, some of them don't allow to record, so hopefully they will. But if they don't, then you guys know, when we do move, you'll get an apartment tour. All right guys, hey y'all, so I got my favorite coffee with Never, and we're well on our way. So yeah, all right y'all, so we're at our first location and I'm about to go in now. I'm still not sure if we can record in there, but I'm gonna try the best I can. All right y'all, so the last place I couldn't record, so now we're at location number 2. Once we move, then I'll probably put in the description box the other places that we didn't pick. They're all amazing, but we didn't make a choice yet, so yeah. Okay.
We also have a grill on the property. We have 5 grills. The other 4 grills will be all over the property in courtyards. You can sit up to 6 to 12 people.
Oh,
wow.
Wow.
Have a little gathering.
That's cool though.
And you know what's really cool? Well, we have a lot of compliments on. We have really good maintenance staff.
So pretty much everything that you need in here, but what's really cool too is because it's a lot of open space. A lot of times there's no long room.
It's more guys, but it's people in here, so I can't record. Woo.
Come on, you turn on lights for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'll come with the full-size washer and dryer. All the appliances will be exactly the same. Take a video of that. Let me turn on the lights for you.
Okay. Okay guys, this is the washroom to wash your clothes. It's a closet right here. Now let me see this kitchen. It's a big kitchen. All right, y'all. So the reason why we're also moving because my new videos that are coming up, I want to be able to record facing forward. So we're trying to find a place that has a good island. So look at this wine holder. Oh, I didn't even look. Okay, this is the living and the dining. It's big. Is this the bedroom?
Yeah.
Let's show you see this big old bedroom. This is the bedroom, the master bedroom. I don't know. I think I'm not a good recorder because
I think you're good.
this is the bathroom. Shower. Closet. Toilet. Pretty basic. This is me. And
So
this
we'll
is
probably aim
the
for something on the first floor.
second bathroom. Garden tub. This is the second bedroom. It's kind of boring, but it's cute. This is another closet. It has a lot of space. Alright, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I just left the apartment. It's cool, I guess, for what it is, but I didn't like that one that much at all. It's called Broadstone on Grand Parkway. For what we're looking for what we want to do next year, it just wasn't for us. However, honey, the amenities are amazing. They're very affordable. I think the rent for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath was $13.40 something or something like that. So if you're looking for a luxury apartment, it's not luxury, but it's really nice. I thought it was a luxury, but not luxury. But it's really nice. The pool is amazing. The amenities, like I said, is amazing. They have a lot of closet space. The bedrooms are big. But like I said, for what we're trying to do next year, it wasn't a right fit for us. So Broadstone at, what is it again? Grand Parkway in Houston, Texas. If you're looking for a nice place to fit your family, they even have a pool for kids, like a pool play area for kids. I didn't get that on camera though, so it's really nice. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Hey y'all, so we're finna have lunch or brunch, whatever you want to call it. We're at Cheddar's. That's where we're eating at today. I'm hungry. Alright, you guys. So I ordered catfish, but this is my drink right here. What is this again? Oh, it's spiked
lemonade.
lime, raspberry, strawberry lemonade. I don't know, but it got liquor in it. Alright, so I got catfish, y'all, and mashed potatoes. He got a burger. And these were like cheese bites. Look at him with that ketchup. But yeah, I got fried catfish. I went and got the rest of the stuff that I need for the last couple Thanksgiving recipes that I'm going to do. I just left Kroger and they're giving away cake. So if you live in Houston, they're giving away cake in Kroger, okay? Anyway, I'll catch y'all next time on my next vlog. Bye. Alright, you guys, so I decided to really end the video here. Now I'm home. I'm about to get into this sweet potato pie recipe. Of course, it's not going to be in this video. It's coming tomorrow, I think. So, yeah, these are my ingredients. They're not going to be super plain sweet potato pie. However, it doesn't have alcohol because I have one that have alcohol already. But this one is coming soon. It's going to be super amazing. Okay, now it's bye.